In this quick video, I will show you how to replace the battery in your Mitsubishi Lancer key fob. All you'll need to get this done is a CR1620 battery, and you just need one of those. And then you will also need preferably some small screwdrivers, one just for opening, just for pulling out this small Phillips head screw in the back, and the other we're just going to be using to kind of pry the battery out. So you could replace this with a pin or a needle or other small tool. But if you don't have these a Phillips head this size, I'd recommend this little set that I have here that these both come from. That's just a couple bucks on Amazon, and I'll put that link in the description. And if you need to pick up one of these batteries as well, that first link in the description will take you over to an Amazon listing where you can get these batteries also for just a few bucks. Now opening this up, one thing to note is that there is a 4-button version that has a trunk button right here. Doesn't matter which version you have, the process is going to be exactly the same. And we start by removing this small Phillips head screw in the back. So let's start that. Just twist out that screw, set it to the side. And now up here, you can see there is a slot right there. You could use just a regular flathead screwdriver, or if you have those precision ones, there's one in that set that would work as well. I'm just going to twist this open with this big screwdriver. And now on the inside, you can see the battery is held in there pretty good. We need something that can fit into that small hole in the top corner. So I'm going to be using this little precision screwdriver. As I mentioned, you could use a needle or a pin or something else. Just what we want to do is push down to the bottom and gently pry the battery up, and it does not take much force. So once you have your battery out, you can dispose of your old one, grab your new CR1620 battery, and when you're putting it in, make sure that the positive side is facing up. What we want to do is just slide it down. Slide it first under these 2 little plastic tabs, and then just push it down on the other side. You can see that. So we're sliding it down towards these 2 tabs and then clicking it into place. And from here, we are pretty much done. We're just going to put everything back together. So line up the 2 halves and snap them back together. Grab your little screw and put it back in there. There we go. Just twist your screw back in and we are all set. If you want to verify that you did everything correctly, you can just press the button and make sure that this light does turn on. So I hope that video helped you out, and if it did, feel free to let me know down in the comments or just by giving this video a like. And if you ever need help with another key, you can come back here to this channel where we have videos just like this one for the devices for almost every make and model out there. And you can also get all of that information and more over at our website, FobBattery.com.